Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel.
Hello, Missy. Now you got me traveling over the sea. Over the sea. Head over heels. Head over heels. Hello, Missy. Hello, Missy. Hello, Missy. Now you got me traveling over the sea. Head over heels.
Today is day 42 of this beans farming experiment in dry season, and 20th of March 2025. So we're here to look at the beans for today. Nothing much is happening, and I don't have much to talk about today. But tomorrow, which is going to be day 43, 21st, I want to answer some questions by Emma Ella. I'll do a comprehensive video on two of her questions I've not attended to. I want to attend to them. I want to answer them. So meanwhile, today we're just going to look at the garden and see if there's any flowers coming out. Day 42 of the beans farming experiment, 20th of March 2025. So I'm going to flip the camera so that we'll see what we'll have. It's going to be a very short video. Nothing special has happened in the garden, but let's see. Naturally, we're expecting flowers, but as you can see, it's not happening yet. Okay, this one is withering. I don't know why. No flowers. And if no flowers, we can't be talking about pods also. Is that a pollinator? What insect is that? We just wet them every day and wait. I keep thinking that's flowers, but that's leaves. So for the opt-in time, I'll repeat it again. We're carrying out this experiment to find out if beans can produce during dry season. But apparently we are wetting it. Beans have fallen. I say beans. Rain has fallen. I think up to. It's not even pure rain, like drizzle. It has drizzled up to like like 3 times. Because it's not solid rain. Something that didn't last up to like 10 minutes each of the times. So we can't still consider it that rain has fallen. So we're potentially still in dry season. But we want to see if these beans will go on to produce flowers, pods, and yield harvest. So far, nothing spectacular is happening. So with that, I'm going to wrap up for today. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, kindly like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll make a video responding to it. Thank you very much. Omenoko Lifestyle. Bye.
You know.